Hey everyone, I'm Anthony Carino, Regional Sales Manager here at Fuel Controls. Today we're unboxing the Whole-House Dehumidifier. Whether you're dealing with odors or excessive moisture, this unit is designed to integrate seamlessly with your HVAC system or work as a standalone dehumidifier. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. The dehumidifier features a convenient access door providing simple access to both the pre-filter and the MERV 10 replacement filter. The MERV 10 replacement filters are available in packs of 3. The next feature we'll be discussing is the threaded drain connector. This connector allows for an easy attachment of tubing or a condensate pump. Moving on, the next feature will be the 10-foot power cord. The extended power cord provides flexibility to move the unit as needed. Next will be the 2 integrated heavy-duty handles. Built directly into the system, there are 2 durable handles that make transporting the dehumidifier easier and more secure. The next key benefit will be the simplified onboard control. The intuitive control panel requires only a simple adjustment of your desired humidity set point, and you're good to go. Next will be the 3-minute test cycle. Each unit includes a 3-minute test cycle that samples the air within the conditioned space to determine if the compressor needs to activate for dehumidification. And last but not least, the duct collars. Each unit comes with 2 10-inch duct collars, allowing easy integration within your HVAC system to dehumidify the air as it circulates throughout the entire house. These features combine to deliver a user-friendly and efficient solution for maintaining ideal indoor humidity levels. And that's a wrap on the unboxing of the Fuel Controls Whole-House Dehumidifier. If you'd like to learn more, visit fuelcontrols.com or contact a member of our team for expert advice. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.